Mike, no way. Oh well. Yeah, all the animals are coming in. Even my cats are like, what is this? Going again. It's gonna be kind of hard. Let me see it, Mike. Where's she at? Let me see it, baby. Sorry, I'm trying to film and trying to. Let me see it, Mike. Even the blue jay was staying around too. And this is attuned to the heart chakra. I don't know exactly what hurts, but that's my singing bowl. I got plenty of them, and I'm going to eventually make some videos like this. I'd like to be out in the woods if possible, so we'll see. But I wanted to film the blue jay, but my son had the phone at the time. I was like, oh man. But yeah, he stayed around, and then this female cardinal just stayed around. My kitten was just like, what in the world? She came all the way up. She was like kind of looking around, watching the stick or whatever, this thing, when I'm going around with it, and it was so cute. But yeah, I'll be making some videos like this, and with my hand drum, once I practice that a little bit or whatever, and I don't know, I got a lot to figure out, so, but I will be making them eventually, these videos.